It is the third year since the eradication of the wild polio virus in Nigeria. Experts at the celebration of the third year of this achievement believe that maintaining the momentum of proper response and improving investments will continually keep the nation polio-free. Health correspondent Kemi Balogun has more in this report.
Nigeria became wild polio virus-free after becoming the last African country to attain this feat in 2019. The last case on the continent was reported in Borno State in the northeastern part of the country in 2016. Each year, more than 270 million doses of polio vaccines have been administered, with greater investment and efforts made to reach vulnerable populations.
Our leaders right.
Guests at this event to mark the 3-year certification of the eradication of the indigenous transmission of the wild polio virus in Nigeria are all excited at this great achievement. They acknowledge it was made possible through the efforts and dedication to service of selfless health workers and effective community leadership.
If we are very determined in this country, we will achieve quite a lot. Let us put our emotions, the politics in this country that is very complex, but we've proven several times that indeed we can achieve quite a lot of giant strides.
I've looked at the data, I've done the analysis, and the single most important difference to my mind between where we failed and how we became successful is because we went back to the basics and engaged our traditional and religious leaders. And we want to take this opportunity to rekindle the spirit of selflessness to motivate our foot soldiers who are still on the ground, trying to make sure that all forms of polio, including vaccine-derived polio, are part of the history.
They also believe that with the present response and additional investments, polio can be kept at bay out of the lives of young children in Nigeria for a long time to come, and the eradication status can be maintained.
This year we saw a lot of success, again coming back to the basics, working at community level and as well strengthening the health system. And I think this is the two keys that we need to continue doing. Thanks to our joint efforts, our perseverance and a strong conviction that the world without all forms of polio is possible, we have managed to control the situation so far, but still is not enough.
So far, through this effort, an 80% reduction in the burden of the circulating vaccine-derived poliovirus type 2 cases has now also been recorded. Kemi Balogun, TVC News, Abuja.